What's up guys, Brian Plays here, and I'm going to show you how to get Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.15.0 Alpha Build 1. So guys, first thing to do is go to the link in the description and download that and install that, and you have the 0.15.0 and you need Xbox account. So it will go sign up on your computer or CP. Go to xbox.com and sign in and create one account. Then go to Minecraft Pocket Edition, then sign in that account, and you will now access to play realms. And there we go. And that's the normal skin, and there's a new settings. You can change your name in Minecraft Pocket Edition. You can change your name in Xbox account. So the animated water setting is not now in 0.15.0, but this is not official 0.15.0. So guys, this is the beta test that Tom CC said in Twitter. So guys, hope you like it. Enjoy. Subscribe to my channel. One download, one like. Please guys, one download equals one like. So guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.